saw the issues that played out during the convention and some of the resolutions. The president has come out to say that there's a video trending right now where the president is saying that he's Buhari and Buhari is him.
Yes.
And so
he will go the way of Buhari.
Yes.
Yes. That's my simple answer. you know how Buhari became a disgrace in this country after his tenure. Anybody who is Buhari, and there's no other way or means, you are going to go the way of Buhari. If you are Buhari, it means that you have no compassion, you are wicked, you have nothing upstairs, and you are a bigot. So anybody who identifies himself as Buhari, you know what Buhari's life, how his life ended. That's all I can say.
Now, the Labour Party has come out to say Tinubu is their consensus candidate. Both Alex Otti.
The Labour Party is a renter, short renter. It's Airbnb. They have taken another client. Yes. So they have rented the place out again. I was hoping to rent it. We already have a house. There's no need being a tenant. Yeah. This is why I keep telling people, when I say something, I'm not saying it out of arrogance. You know, it's clairvoyance. When you see the way these things are going, tell people. But sometimes people don't listen until it's too late. I was the first person shouting that Labour Party was a church renter. It was an orphanage home for homeless. No, not even orphanage, for homeless. It's a homeless shelter for homeless politicians. But this time around, I think they have upgraded into an Airbnb. So they want to take part of Tinubu's leg, the one that is wobbly, you know, and APC will take the head. So it's what it is. That's Labour Party for you. And it speaks to what I told you when people were saying that Otti is against Tinubu. Where is the Labour Party going to do this convention? Abba. Who is funding it? Otti. So if Otti doesn't like Tinubu, why is he's the only person in the party right now? He's the one funding the party. So those of you who like to insult people when they tell you the truth, time to apologize.
774 terrorists have been reintegrated. Repentant terrorists have been reintegrated into the society.
What about the one that joined the Nigerian army? Are you not aware of those? Did you not see a video by that Swedish blogger who went into their camp? They are already working with Nigeria. So reintegration is, don't say reintegration into society, they are reintegrated into the armed forces. So go and continue to kill, destroy, and provide intelligence to their base. Which is
license.
Their organization. Exactly, this one is official license to kill.
Sir, if you were president,
yes,
with the way the bank is actually giving to say they are coming to attack, would you be seeking the help of mercenaries?
I'll seek every help. But I've said it before, and believe me, if I'm president, I won't appoint a minister of defense anymore. I'll appoint a drone. And the drone will be coordinating other drones. And Iran and the US have taught us that warfare has shifted. There's a transition in warfare now that you can use unconventional tools. You can call it conventional now, like drones, who can see these terrorists in advance and neutralize them before they get to their destination. If they write us a letter, we also write them a letter. It will be carried by an armed drone. Yes.
The deadline for tax payment, personal income tax, PAIT, is actually this month.
Okay.
A lot of Nigerians are seeing what the government is doing.
Government is owing me 30 million naira in Lagos. So I cannot be talking about tax. I'm the one who has to be paid that 30 million. They also own another 2 million, another 1 million. So, but I said it before that taxation without responsibility is crime. You are taxing people who have already been overtaxed. People don't understand tax. People just think that it's personal income tax or the tax they pursue you on the street. They're already taxing you by removing subsidies. They are taxing you for everything you buy in this country. They are taxing you. Every transaction you do in the banking app is taxed. Every time you buy a ticket to fly is taxed. Every time you buy a bottle of beer, you are taxed. Every time you buy food, most of you don't look at the food receipts. The taxes are they are going to tax you out of existence. So what is there to tax again? They have already sucked blood out of Nigerians. There's nothing to tax. So anytime you turn on your light, you're taxed. Anytime you use data, you are taxed. In fact, I want to use this opportunity to announce that one of these days we have to go after MTN.
Very important.
They are the biggest data thief in the world today. All of them, but MTN is the one that you will buy 5,000 naira worth of data, and by the time you wake up and you haven't used it, as the witches and wizards have used it and finished it. And it's not a joke, because this is this is a consumption fight that we must fight. MTN is looting your data and by extension destroying your life. Yes. And I heard they are doing the same thing in South Africa. So it's very sad. But we must stand up to them and tell them enough is enough. Yes.
The debt profile is actually increased by 50%.
What did you expect? When Tinubu removed subsidy, he did not lie to you that it was meant to reduce our debt liabilities, that they will save the money so that they won't need to go and borrow. And we told you that no, they want to destroy your life and your businesses. Now they have removed subsidy and they are still borrowing money. They are unable to pay salaries. They have not done any roads conclusively. They said they wanted to do Lagos Calabar, Coastal Highway. They have only done about 40 kilometers since last 3 years. It has not even reached Dangote refinery yet. And it's supposed to reach Calabar. So if you are doing 40 miles every 3 years, then Tinubu would have done only 70 miles by the time, if he were to come back. But I am assuring you and Nigerians that he will not come back. He's a one-term president. That's the truth. And Nigerians can do it, because this guy came to suck life out of you. We don't stand in front of people and just say we're abusing anybody. We are telling you the truth that is about your existence.
Exactly.
This guy is sucking the existence out of people. And you must fight back. And we must fight him. Whatever means necessary to make sure that we exist after his disastrous tenure is done. So, yes, thank you so much.
Now! We move.